I would say accreditation is sacrosanct. Accreditation is something which actually tells you whether you are doing things right or what is the scope of further improvisation and all. And Symbiosis as a university is, is at the top of the accreditation. That is, we are A plus with perhaps one of the highest scores for NAC as a university. As a business school standalone, we are still not there to go for standalone business school accreditation. But yes, that's part of our journey. I mean, as we progress, as we grow in terms of both scale and strength, we will be going for a standalone campus specific program specific accreditations. So accreditations for us are important. National accreditations that of NAC is important, and we are also looking at or deeply studying the international accreditations like ASCSB, AMBA, ICRIS, and so on, so that we can prepare ourselves in the next 5 years' time to be able to pursue them. It's a long journey. So that this focus on respecting and looking at accreditations as our I would say guiding points is helping us in building the right capabilities and resources, so that in future as we grow, we are there. As far as ranking is concerned, fine, there are so many ranking agencies and so many I would say rankings done at program level, at institution level, at university level, and so on. I don't want to make any harsh statement here, but what we do is we look at ranking as a reflection that somebody is noticing our good work. We don't get disheartened if somebody has not rated us well or we have not participated in some rankings, because we can't participate in all rankings, right? So there are a lot of ones. I mean, I don't want to name any of them, just to avoid being partial or being whatever. So this rankings give us a confidence that yes, your good work is being noticed, and also that you are being counted among the top guys in the town or among the men in the party. So that gives us a kind of a reinforcement of yes, we are in the right direction, and we must continue doing that with greater vigor and greater strength and whatever else that we can put in there. So both the rankings and accreditations do help us in charting our course of action or pursuing our growth aspects and all. But we take accreditations as the guiding point for us in designing and developing how we would be or how we should be 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, as a temple of excellence, as a business school that matters, as a business school that actually provides a solid talent pool for the country and contribute to nation building. They should look at rankings, but should not buy into it completely, is what I'm trying to tell you. I mean, though we are well placed in terms of rankings and all, if as a parent, if you have to look at rankings, I would suggest that you should not buy into it as a parameter to make our final decision. That should not be the only criteria. You should look at several other parameters, as I said earlier, by talking about the placement part. That what are three important things, like infrastructure, opportunity, and diversity on a given campus. And these three aspects actually differentiate. If you look at business schools globally, these are the three aspects that any business school will be differentiating itself. If you look at Harvard, for example, Harvard is known for what? A very diverse classroom with diversity of students and faculty is fantastic. Infrastructure, obviously, great infrastructure, which includes your corporate connects and all that, and opportunities. That means the number of opportunities that you get to learn and also to market yourself. These three aspects, if you look at properly with right parameters, I think you're there. So ranking should not be the only buying point.